Hi, it's Deborah Harris here, and I'm bringing you a cash flow tip of the day. And this cash flow tip is about price. Now, price is a revenue, profit, and a cash flow lever, meaning that price directly influences how much money comes into the business, which is your revenue. Price contributes to profit because if there's no money coming in and you have costs, then you've got more going out than coming in. And it's also a cash flow lever because it determines what money you've got in and when you've got it in. So our first tip of the day on price is focus on the investment being made rather than the price being paid. Now by this I mean that when you talk about price with your customers, they immediately have this sinking of money feeling where you're actually putting money into something, you're paying for something that maybe doesn't give you a return. If you talk about investment, they realize that they're actually getting something valuable for their money, because the whole thought of an investment is about something that is going to give us a longer term gain. So if you can focus when you're talking, when you're communicating with your customer, if you can focus on the investment rather than how much it's costing them, instead of them being in the mindset of trying to drive a cost down, they're trying to drive a mindset of making a great investment. So it's really about mindset more than it is even about what the price actually says. So this has been a price tip for the cash flow levers.